Hey, welcome back. Today we're sitting in my Tesla Model Y and we're going to be talking about gaining access to a secret mode that you may have never seen before. This mode will give you access to some information about your car that you can't typically access and is typically used by Tesla service technicians. Now, before we dive into this secret mode, I want to give a warning. Please don't go in here and change things that you don't understand. I recommend using this just to see the status of your car. Maybe something's not working the way you want it to work. Just use this to see what's going on, and if you need something fixed, go talk to a Tesla service technician. This is meant to be used by them, and I just don't want you going and messing anything up that's going to mess up your car. So with that being said, let's dive in and take a look. Okay, here's how to get into what's called service mode. You're going to tap on your menu button here, and you're going to go down to software. Now, where it says Model Y, or for you it might be a Model 3 or a Model X or whatever, wherever it says Model, you're going to hold your finger down for about 5 seconds. Now, it's going to ask you for an access code. The access code is just the word service, all lowercase. You're going to get a big, scary looking warning here. Again, remember what I said earlier, don't go in here and change stuff you don't understand. Use this to look at the status of your vehicle if you're having problems. I'm going to go ahead and say enter. Now, as soon as I go in here, all the AC and everything is going to turn off. You're going to get the red ring around the outside of the screen. And you can see that we are now in a screen that we don't normally see with a bunch of options we don't normally have access to. So it gives us some information. It gives us the VIN, it gives us our odometer reading, firmware version, all that kind of stuff. If your car has any service alerts, you're usually going to see a little alerts number down here, and you could tap on service alerts to see what those are. But I'm just going to pop through these menus, show you what's in here. Again, I'm not changing anything, I'm just looking. So under driver assist, we can see our camera status here, see they're all in good working order. Under infotainment, you can go through, you can see the status of all your speakers. You can see your network connectivity. You can see information about your software, autopilot software, map software, infotainment software, etc. Now this is your this is your charging system, your high voltage system. So we can get information here about our battery. Here we can see information about the type of charger. So I've got a mobile connector attached to my vehicle right now. You can see the cable state. You can see information about temperatures. Just a bunch of kind of cool information that you don't typically have access to. A lot of this, as a tech guy, a lot of this stuff just is fascinating to me just to see. I have no desire to go in here and start messing with things and changing things, but it is really cool to see these diagrams of how the electrical system on the Tesla works and to see if there's any issues with it. When you're done messing around or looking around in service mode, Just press this button and you're back to normal. Hope you found that interesting. Again, don't mess with things you don't understand, but it's sure cool as a tech enthusiast to go and see all those diagrams and all those images of the state of my Tesla. That's it for this one. If you like this video, please give it a like, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you want to see more Tesla content on this channel, then leave a comment below. Let me know what kind of stuff you want to see, and I'll see you on the next one.